Hello guys and girls, welcome back to the online session on retail marketing management, and our today's topic is the reasons for the growth of a retail market or retail sector in India. So the first point is organized retail. Alright, with the passage of years, with the various developments happening in the country, with the emergence of IT field or BPOs and KPOs and tourism industries booming and so on, this gave rise to the changing habits or changing buying behavior of the customers. Alright, their fashion sense started changing, their buying behavior pattern started changing, their taste preference regarding a particular product started changing, and this gave rise to it gave a boost or push to the organized retail. I already told you organized retail is nothing but these are the retail stores that are registered under the government guidelines. Alright, and that is why they are called as organized retail. Alright, so with the shift in the buying pattern, with the shift in the taste and preference of the consumers or customers, this gave a boost or push to the organized retailing, and organized retailing in turn gave the rise to the growth of the more and more retail stores in India. The second point is emergence of a nuclear family concept. Here again it is like the nuclear family concept is you earn and you save a little more than in a joint family, and here what you do is you will have a lot of disposable income, and with that income you would want to buy a product of your choice, branded products and so on, and this gave rise to the taste change, preference change, lifestyle change, buying attitude change and so on, and this in return gave rise to the growth of retail markets in India. The third point is disposable income. The more income you have with yourself, the more you feel like spending, isn't it? A simple watch is fine to see the time, but when you have more disposable income, what do? You buy a branded watch. Okay, a watch worth ₹500 is enough for you to for your daily activity or daily usage. But with a more disposable income, what do? You buy a watch worth 15,000 and 20,000 and so on. Okay, so here the customers change and preference, customers taste, preference, lifestyle is changing because of the income that you possess. Alright, so this is one of the reasons for retail markets to grow in India. The next one is new business opportunities, like the local business opportunities or international business opportunities. Here when you see a industry booming or growing, what the customers feel like doing? They feel like investing in the stock exchange, stock market, shares and so on of the company, isn't it? So this is one of the reasons for the rise of your retail markets. The next point is fast changing Indian consumer. Like I already told you, the taste, preference, lifestyle, buying pattern, disposable income, all these are the reasons or factors for the consumer behavior to change. Alright, and this gives rise to your retail marketing. The next point is distance snowball. With all the new upcoming developments like your e-commerce, you are exposed to various platforms like Myntra and Flipkart and Amazon and etc, and a product is just one click away from you. Alright, you can be at home and still order for products, and this is what it means, like distance is no bar, and that is why this buying behavior of the customer is giving rise to the retail marketing. The next one is use of plastic money. Obviously you use your ATM cards and credit cards and so on to buy the goods, and that is why this has also boosted for the retail marketing to grow. The last point under the reasons is availability of skilled labor. Like the college going students get to know about retail marketing course and retail marketing subject, and they gain a basic knowledge about this retail marketing management. And if someone is more interested into this field, they can have a short term course maybe of 3 months or 6 months or maximum of a year, and they become skilled here, they become professional, they become trained. And this availability of skilled labor, trained labor, professional laborers are giving rise to the increase in your retail marketing. So these were the basic points or the important points that has given rise or push or boost to the retail markets in India. So this is all for today. Have a nice day.